Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ray Daly and I'm going to be your instructor for this tutorial. Alright, now you want to build a website but have no idea where to go, how to get started. Well, that's why I'm here. So, over the years of me creating and building websites for myself and for my clients, I have always used HostGator. Now there are other companies out there similar to HostGator that are just as good, just as reputable, but for right now, I'm going to start with HostGator. Now, before we get started in getting our hands dirty in building a website, we first need a domain name. So after going to hostgator.com and you're on this page, we're going to click on domains right there. So your domain name is actually your URL or website address. So yahoo.com, google.com, facebook.com, microsoft.com, those are all domain names or URLs. So there are also a few things that you need to consider when choosing your domain name. You want to make it simple, you want to make it short, and you want to make it descriptive. For example, let's just say your business is Monique's Diner. Then you'd probably want a website, a domain name that represents that business. So you're going to look to see if Monique's Diner is available. So we're going to type moniquesdiner.com. Let's see if that's available. And it's going to go ahead and search the internet. If that name is available, then you'll be able to see it right here. And congratulations, your domain is available. So with that in mind, you can go ahead and make your purchase. Now I'm not going to do Monique's Diner today, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. And instead, I'm going to do, let's see, demo website.com. All right, then I'm going to go ahead and search. And notice it says, sorry, demowebsite.com is unavailable. So let's create another variation of that and let's do demo website 101. All right, awesome. That is available. All right, so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to checkout. Now, before you go to checkout, let me just talk about one little thing right here, and that's privacy protection. And that's for $14.95. Now, privacy protection is basically if you purchase this feature, what it's going to do is going to hide your personal information behind the HostGator server. So no one will be able to know that, okay, the website is owned by Ray Daly, or Ray Daly's phone number is 954 blah 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 blah. So you get that privacy protection. Now, for me, I don't want it right now, so I'm just going to go ahead and cancel that, and I'm going to go to checkout. Alright, so here I can log into my account, or I can actually create a new account. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and create a new account. So I'm going to go to here, I'm going to take that out, and I'm going to put Ray Daly tutorials at gmail.com, and I'm going to create a password, and then I'm going to go ahead and confirm a password. And of course, you'll also need a 4-digit PIN. Now this is important, so when you choose your PIN, remember to write it down, because in order to speak to a representative, they're going to ask you for that 4-PIN code. So for me, it's going to be that. And then I'm going to go to continue. Now here you're going to enter your billing information, and then enter your credit card information here, and then proceed to checkout. Alright, so we're about to complete our order. Now, again, if you want to go ahead and get the privacy protection, you can go ahead and get it here. If not, you can always add it later on down the road if you need to. Now guys, I need you to go ahead and click on have a discount, and of course you're going to type in Ray 2020. So currently the price is $12.95. If we apply this, you get it at a whopping $4.99. So here we go. So you're going to go ahead and click place order, and then you're going to go ahead and place your order right there. Alright guys, so that concludes today's tutorial on how to select your domain name, how to get it purchased, and how to get started with your website. One more thing guys, if you liked what you just watched, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, go ahead and subscribe, and also finally hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when new videos are uploaded. Thank you, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.